Sige. So don't forget ha. Always answer in 3 or more sentences. Ay, kalimutan na.
Yes,
3
sir.
or more. Kada question, 3 or more sentences. Ganun. Ilan mo itong videos ako ipang-send ninyo?
Yes, sir. Nakita na ako, sir.
Okay. So sa part 2, kinahanglan hot doon gyud ng 2 minutes ha. Importante kay
Okay.
hot doon gyud
Pila
ng 2
ka
minutes
part
na.
gani ano sir?
Tulo.
Speaking. Tulo.
Kanang part 1 ug part 3 halos pareho ra man na. Ayan ang part 3. So atong praktisan nun, part 1 ug part 2 ra kay ang part 3 pareho ra man na sa part 1. Mga follow-up questions ra man na siya. Okay? Wala pa si Archie. O, ikaw sa una koan. James.
Okay, sir.
Alright, sige, let's start. What's your name, please?
My name is James P. Maulas, and I live in...
Sayop na. Mailhan na gyud ako ng mulanta o wala sa mga videos akong gisend.
Wala po kita sir.
Di ba? Basta may mulanta o nya wala di ay makabalon ako
Wala,
tinumbagan pa lang ninyo.
Wala
Kaya
po
naman, ang pangutana, what's your name? Ug minyo kang I live in. Kabahin ba na si mungalan o dili?
Okay.
Di ba? So wa kanilang tos mga videos.
Naglantaw ko ron, sir. Mali akong
Kaya mo
sagot.
man ay mga tubag. Mo man ay
Lagi
mga
akong
tubag
sagot.
sa videos akong ipang
Lagi,
send ninyo.
nasayop katong ang nabasa nung ako sa katong video katong my name is James, tapos my name came from this name.
Kay nga ang
Ingata.
answer ana name ra gyud
Oh.
kasi nihatag si mungalan. Does your name have a
Lagi.
special meaning? How do
Okay,
your friends
okay.
call you? May nana ng answer ana. Related ra gyud sa
Okay.
name. Di ba?
Okay. Okay.
Balik ta usab. Di si Aris di sakpan man nilang taw.
Wala po ko katanaw sir. Busy. Kargado og biyahe.
Sige usab.
Okay.
What's your name please?
My name is James Maulas, and my name came from the Bible because my mother she's keen to read the Bible, and she was I mean, that's my name came from the Bible. So
How do your
okay,
friends call you? How do your family call you? Ana, nickname.
okay.
Nag-focus naman ka dito sa imong mama. Sa Bible. Name, focus ka sa name nimo. Ayun, sa Bible o sa kuhan. Okay, next
Okay.
question. Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines, from Cagayan de Oro, from the northern part of the Cagayan de Oro. Cagayan de Oro was named was a city of golden friendship because that's what they're thinking about from Cagayan de Oro. So they always friendship. Yeah, it's always been friend. And
Okay.
then
So, unsay mga special delicacies, unsay mga tourist spots ana i-mention na siya nimo
okay.
ha. About
Okay.
Cebu City. Okay. And what's your job?
My job is currently is an able seaman, the seafaring industry, and I work for 11 years internationally, and now in New Zealand it's almost 3 years.
Hey,
And
that's
I
good.
like this job. Yep.
All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about technology. What
Yep.
technology do you often use? Computers or cell phone?
I use cell phones because it is compatible, and it's very small one I can put in my pocket, and easy to use. It's a user friendly as well.
Okay. What electronic devices have you bought lately?
Lately I bought iPhone mobile phone, iPhone 17, because it has new features. It's like you can put backgrounds in your iMessages, and then you can also change the background as glassy. That's called the glass mode. So it's kind of good.
Is there any technology you want to buy?
Right now, I don't want to buy anything because I have cell phones as well as of now, and I have laptop. So these two main gadgets are okay for me, and I don't have any gadgets, new gadgets to be bought.
Okay. Is technology important in your life?
Well, the technology is important in my life as of now because you can access anytime and anywhere as long as you have coverage of your cell phone, as long as you have data, and technology can use also for your family. You can call them anywhere in the world or in the
Mhm.
part.
Okay. Is there any technology you don't like?
The technology don't like. Don't like technology. Pilit ko ani sira.
Oh, ano bang gana? Pwede ta na nga. Pwede man kami ingon nga wala. Pwede kami ingon naa. Nabali
Okay.
naman sa iyo na ng question. Is there any technology you don't like?
Okay.
Kung saan mo na pagtubag, bali naman sa iyo na ng pangutana ha.
No. I don't like.
Dayon? Is there any technology you like? No, I like
Yes,
all
sir.
technology because they help us with our daily lives. Our work becomes easier. O, diba?
Okay.
Sa iyo na kais pangutana. Alright, next question. What are the benefits of technology?
The benefits of technology is, for example, before we used typewriter, and now the technology has become high tech, so we can use laptops or computers, and which can easy uh, use as a tool for making letters or whatever documents, and also the printers, and we can print. Before it's a manual.
Mhm.
Right now you just connect your computer to the printer, and then you can print directly or easily.
Okay, alright, that's good. Let's move on to part of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you the topic. You can write if you like. Okay, and then I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. Extemporaneous maning part 2. After 1 minute, I will not show the screen anymore. And then you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? This will be your topic. Kanang uban una po mag-answer ani kay posible nga kani po din yung topic sa actual. Your 1 minute preparation time starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. And you can start.
Ako, sir? My invention is Wi-Fi that is used for. It's not only used for only in the home, but I can use in the other places. Like for example, our Wi-Fi here in my house, I can use that in the ship or whatever places. Like in the, I mean, like in Canada, they use that one. You can use your Wi-Fi from home instead of using Wi-Fi from the other areas. So it can easily use for you wherever you want to go, and it is popular because Wi-Fi can do everything, and and the use of this is not difficult because you just connect to your cell phone or got any gadgets, and you can use it anytime because you're connected in your house, so it's safe to do so because you're using on your own Wi-Fi in your house, and it is, yeah, and it is useful. Yeah, as I've said earlier, it is useful because whenever places you go, you can use it because some of the areas don't have any Wi-Fi, and yeah, that's my invention. Uh, Using my Wi-Fi from my home, not from the other Wi-Fi connection. Okay. 2 minutes, sir.
Patawag 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, wala pa ha. Lisod pa. Practice yun. Lantad yung mga videos.
Okay, okay, sir.
Pinamay mo nalantaw nga videos. Kabukra pa daw kayo mo nalantaw mo nga video.
So, video.
Ha? Lantaw mo mga video sa speaking. Kaya di mo maglantaw.
Ah,
Di mo makabaluana. Mukuha mo. Lantaw mo videos para makakuha mo ideas. Oh, nawa, di ba gatuna-tuna ka sa?
Okay, sir.
Di ba? Oo na, di mo na yan. Maabot gani ka sa speaking test, matarantar na ko mo ang
Kanang-
ideas, mablangko jud ka. Samot katubang na nimo ng examiner.
Gani.
Kamo ra gunduha sa examiner ana. Practice ha, practice. O Aris, unsa Aris?
Kung sa katong 2 minutes, hot doon 2 minutes kina sir, pa?
Hutdon lagi ng 2 minutes.
Okay.
Done good.
Hutdon lagi ng 2 minutes. Ningon ako, kapilan ako, balik-balikan ng hutdon ng 2 minutes ha. Kaya naanay timer dito. Sa atong discussion sa speaking test, basig nalimot mo, naay timer kada question. Sa speaking part 2, especially ng part 2, hutdagi ng 2 minutes kay muna diya magikan ang kinadakan nga score. Pila ka percent ng part 2? Ano mo kabalo?
Mabuan sir nga 2 minutes, sir. Nay motingog na prompt, sir, na kuan.
Moingon lagi ng examiner. Naay timer ng examiner. Dili,
Okay.
pag di ka makabalo, alam mo nang ningon ko nimo nga yaw ra gyud huta ng 2 minutes.
Tuloy-tuloy
Yaw
lang.
ra gyud, di ba? Ningon ko
Okay.
ninyo nga diretso ra gyud. Hulata nga mo. Ingon na examiner nga. Okay, that's enough. It's already time. Time's up. Mo ana na examiner. Kana ha. Lantaw mo mga videos lagi speaking. Okay, so alanganin pa kayo. May noon, mga mga score to. Gamay-gamay ra gyud noon to, pero most likely nakakatos mga 5.0.
I-practice lang gid, sir, na sige.
5.0. Lisod pa gyud kaya ng speaking ng 5.0 ana ha. Alanganin ka ito. Sige, Aris, ikaw na pod.
Sige sir.
Walahin man ni si Kuan, Archie. Walahin po ni si Archie mag-speaking. Okay, let's start. Aris, can I have your name, please?
My name is Aris Pihinete. My family called me Aris, and my friends call me Tito as a nickname. That's what they call me, Tito.
All right, and where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. I live in General Santos City. It's a southern part of the Philippines. Tuna capital of the Philippines, and most so popular in our city is Manny Pacquiao. He lives in General Santos City.
Okay, and what do you do?
Right now, I'm a butcher in our local public market.
No, ayun. Don't forget
say-
3 to 4 sentences.
Okay. I'm butcher here in our local place. I'm working 6 to 6 every day. Every Monday to Saturday, Sunday is rest. And yes, that's
Okay, okay. Butcher, di ba? Mukat mo meat
yeah,
cutting
pila
mo,
sir.
mukat
Oh,
mo mga
yes.
pork, yan na, ana, okay?
I explain ang okay.
Oh, okay. Workman, ano sa imong trabaho?
Well,
All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about favorite book. What's your favorite book of all time?
my favorite book from my as I remember, my very favorite book is a book about Harry Potter. And yes, the novel of the kalimut ko sa na ano akan ang book ikaw to sir skip sa book wa jud ko hili musulod nga idea sa book ilahi na lang sir pwede tagi ko
Gamagama ra
ibang
istorya, ha? Gamagama ra lagi istorya.
ah
Gamay ra. Speaking lagi, di kinahanglan tinuod. Ay, ra, isulti ng writer. I forgot the writer, but the book, the story is about, nara ka. Di ba? Kasayon na kayo ng pangutana. Next. Have you read a book more than once?
Yes, of course. Because Harry Potter book, a novel, it's a series of 6 books. And yes, I read it a lot. From 1 to 6, it's a very thick book, and it's a lot of pages. And the story, it's a very, very long story.
Okay. How do you choose what books to read?
I choose a book when like what I want, what I like, like topic, like example like Harry Potter, like what like that one. The most book that I choose is what is interest me to read, and to like that. Reading a book, it's a past make my pastime, right?
Okay. Do you prefer to read books or magazines?
Right now at this year or at this time, I choose manga right now. I love mangas. Like right now, Harry Potter is an old one. Right now, it's a lots of like example animes. Right now, I love reading animes, manga. Like lots like One Piece. Yeah. I read
Okay.
mangas. Yes.
What's your favorite subject to read about?
Subject. Mangutala ko sir. Usa nga subject na pasabot na sir.
What's your favorite subject to read? Meaning topic.
Topic ang pasabot.
Importante kay masabtan ng question, ha?
Pwede na ba ako i-connect sa katong ingon ako nga previous nga story like anime, manga
Ikaw na bahala na basta ang question mo na question mo na imong tubagon. Bahala na kag usa ano yung pagtubag.
Favorite
kalimot ha, bahala na mo sa ano yung pagtubag basta ang question tubaga. Maro gyud na sa speaking test.
My favorite subject is like right now I love reading manga like a One Piece. It's topic about pirate crews, friendship, wars, battles from any kind of like from previous history, like a history, a war from pirate ships. Yes.
Yan na, di ba no?
Atik-atik.
Okay. All right. Would you give a book as a gift?
Should I come again?
Would you give a book as a gift?
Oh. Should I? Yes, I love. If I can do. I can give someone. I can share about a book that I love. I can share to other people, to my friends or family. Yes, I would like to.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, I will not be sharing the screen anymore, and then you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, nauna po mag-answer ani kay basig mo na inyong topic po sa actual. Kay magbalik-balik ka naman ng topic sa speaking. This is your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up, so I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk, and you can
Okay.
start.
Okay. That scenario was happened in Cebu City. We were having a vacation in Cebu, and we were stuck in a traffic in like what place? What it's called Mandawi City. We were stuck there with a traffic jam with a long period of time. I think it's take us 50 minutes there, stuck in the same road, same street, and then that was so uh very hot that time. It's a summertime, a summer vacation. Then uh we just while waiting in the traffic, I'm lucky that I have my family with me. We are just so we try to get out our or to release our boredom in the traffic. We talk, we chat, we are making we are planning that we discuss everything in that traffic time a moment because that's a free time for us. We can't do anything because it's stuck in traffic. Then we're just making a topics. Then what's the last time and we chat a lot. We and then except for chatting, we're having because we are in the car. We have music or we had a good. Oh yes, we can choose music. We play, we song, we sing together, laugh, chat like that. And then after that we move again and go. That's it. We move
Okay,
and
all
we
right.
got to hotel.
That's already 2 minutes. Balik-balik na.
Di pa naka-imbento ko sir. Improve nga kuan.
Oh, di ba? Wala po naman explain how you felt when you were in the traffic.
Ani murag auto wala na ko. Auto ginaisip
Lang.
na ko asa na ko dapit sa katong
Kana
putana sa
yan
isla.
topic part 2 gani, gama na yung nagstorya.
Oo.
Okay, we were going there because I remembered I was about to visit my ano na ka
Mm.
dito, di ba? Oh, because it was the
Di
it was a
katong 1
birthday
minute,
party.
tong 1 minute sir ba nga gihatag nga question katong isa dito na missing. Murag isa ra ang
Gani, so
missing.
gama na gani istorya.
Oo.
Manang may ka nga na traffic mo. We were going to may ka Mandawi because it was the birthday of my friend. He invited us to go there. O, di ba? So dugang storya, papataas, di
Mm.
ba? There was this incident when we were actually near the city. There was a car accident, so we were stuck in a traffic jam.
Mm.
Oh, di mo taas ang istorya,
Like
di ba?
cause sa traffic naman. Wala.
Nagkama na yun nagstorya. Lagi, ang speaking test, dili kinahanglan tinuod.
Mm.
Alang-alang man pag muta na siya sa pulis. Unsa man tong disgrasya dito atong tuiga to? Ana dito tinuod ba to? Na naluslos na. Alanganin gihapon. Pare-pareha ra mo ni James. Naa sa mga 5. Ha? Alanganin kayo. Pero noon, gamay ra man pud imong kinahanglan ari. So okay ra. 5 pasar
Ideas
na. Ang
namang
problema kaning ka James kay dako man ni kinahanglan si James 6.5
sa nga part na to sir tong katong question.
part 2. Basta
Part
topic gani, part 2 gina siya ha. Basta inato nga topic part 2 gito siya. James, practice James fluency. Importante ka ng fluency, James.
Okay, sir.
Di jud ka kakuha 6.5 ba apiki mo in Englishan ka ng fluency. Diretso ka mag-English kana importante ka na siya. Kung ka maka 6.57 dapat imo in England diretso. Grammar nimo dapat diretso pod. Walay tipyat mo na ipang dako nga score fluency man na. Diba, gi-discuss man nato ng fluency kanang mga kuan, fluency and
Grammar,
coherence, inana.
pronunciation.
Okay. Next. Imo na ning
Yes, sir.
kartada kuan, Archie.
Yes, sir.
Ano lain, ikaw na lang gyud sa nabilin. Ready na ka, wala kay choice.
Yes, sir.
Tayo sa usan pangitaan ti kog topic sa. Naka ni. Wag sayon na ni. Tayo sa hangita tag topic nga maayo. Naka nira, sayon na ni. All right, let's start.
Yes, sir.
What's your name, please?
I'm Archie Bibuso from Philippines, from Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental.
Sayop na. Baka naminaw ganihang kuan, Aris. Klaro kay itong tubag ni Aris. Pag pangutana na kung Aris, what's your name? Unsa may gisulti niya? Puro ra kabahin sa ngalan. Kanya karon
sorry.
gi-discuss kag asa kagapuyo, ngalan din na nimo.
Sorry.
Oh, di na nimo ngalan nasa kagapuyo, lugar man na.
Sir.
Okay, so ang imong
Okay,
tubag
sir.
kabahin na gyud sa ngalan. What's your name? Oh, balik-balikon ako nagistorya ron, patay tani ron ha. So what's your name? How do your friends call you? How do your family call you? Does your name have a special meaning? Who gave you your name? Kabahin na gyud na siya ngalan.
Okay.
Again, ang answer ninyo sa mga questions, related ra gyud sa question. Dili pwedeng mosimang.
Yes, sir.
Related ra gyud sa question tanan. Again, what's your name please?
I'm Archie Bibuso. My family called me Archie only. My grandfather gave me my name. So,
Okay, and where are you from? Oh, muna na siya.
from Philippines, Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental. A place with many tourist destination. You can go to Claveria with the rides. You can go to the falls and visit it and your friends in swimming.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good, good. And what do you do?
I do for now is driving, and in the night I'm going to the market and butchering. We work the whole. We cut the carcass and debone and slice the meat of the pork and beef.
Okay, good. All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about art. Do you like art?
What is art, sir?
Art.
Art,
May nagmayo ha. Sampot na ng pronunciation. Og di gani ka makasabot sa pronunciation.
art or what?
Art. Oh.
Art.
Klaro kay ng T, lahi ng art, lahi ng art. Tanawa ng pronunciation, art. Art ang pangutana.
Art.
Mapatay ta ni ron. Ha? Unsa man ang art? Oh, music arts,
Art.
PE, art.
Okay.
Na may anak ka dito sa actual test matay GG jud ka. So samot na kay ma-British na imong kastorya niya. Ang pronunciation ang accent British na patay jud kag di ka kuha dayon. Okay, again, do you like art?
Yes, I like art because of many physical fitness of this art. You can jogging, walking.
Art. Physical fitness naman kada. Art, di ba unsa man ang klase unsa man ang mga art?
Drawing, sir, drawing.
Oh, yan mo na yung art, drawing, painting, oh. Ano ka physical fitness man ka?
Okay, sir. I love art because I can draw. I can see my future for this drawing. And the people can see my drawing is they're gonna say you are very good for the drawing. And you can spend time for the drawing, sir.
Okay. Pag abot sa actual test kamo ha, paminaw yung umayo kay matimingan mo og Australian nga examiner or British nga examiner. Ako sa una Australian man ako examiner kay sa IDP man ko sa una. Kana ilang mga accent kay lahi man na accent. Matablawan jud di mo kakuha des accent na. Patay gyud mo na. Kon gyud mo focus gyud mo sa kuan ha sa speaking ha pagpangutana paminaw jud maayo gyud. Paminaw jud maayo kay na lahi ra okay rag mapinoy. Rag mapinoy kay masabtan na dayon nimo ng Pinoy kay lahi man Pinoy accent ra man na siya. Ug ma-British lahi man ang accent sa British, lahi man ang accent sa Australian na patay. So pwede ra bang mga Australian yung examiner, pwede pong British. Okay, next question. Do you think art should be taught in schools?
Yes, sir. The art can be useful for the in the school because the many children can do drawing. We can see their skills for the kids in the school. And
Okay.
then the teacher will provide help them to their art.
Okay. If you were a famous painter, what sort of pictures would you paint?
I will see drawing. I will search of this art. This will be the mountains, sir, that we can see all the nature's animals and and the this is called the living hood in the mountains.
Mountains. Okay. Sige. Okay. So, are you interested in news?
Sometimes, sirs, because the news is already they have many fake news for this called this new generations because the many of the newscasts are paid by the government for their fake news, that so the people can believe their fake news.
Okay, base kay imong gusto pasabot diha kuan fake news nimo sa Facebook, social media, ug mo
No, sir, there
newspaper. Newspaper, fake news kas newspaper. Tara
oh,
imong newspaper. Tara
there's
inyong news agency.
nagyapon sir, gakakuan gyapon sir.
Ug ma GMA7 mag fake news, saradong GMA7.
Di naman masarap sir kay
Tanawa. Kisa
already
makitag
paid.
di sa makitag fake news sa GMA7, mga network gani television mga yan, di gyud na pwede mag fake news kay sarado na sila mag fake news. Base kay mo pa sa social media dagway na imong giingon nga fake news. So
Yeah.
laruhan ang question, are you interested in news? Di ba? Are you interested in news? Nya imo ma-fake news ra imo ang basihan, patay ka diya. Yes, I'm very interested in news, especially if it affects my daily living, it affects my environment, it affects my family. Like for now, there are so many earthquakes. Okay? Di ba? There's so many typhoons. Yan na. Ikaw na fake news na. Nga may interesado ka na, dili.
Ibrahado sir.
Di ba? So, depende na siya kung saan yung pag-unahuna ang maayong itubag sa pangutana. So, analyze the question. Unahuna unsay maayong itubag sa pangutana. Okay? Next question. Tanawan ng next question nga follow-up question. So, do you read a newspaper regularly? Di ba? Newspaper, dili Facebook. Do you read a newspaper regularly?
Sometimes sir, I read a newspaper when the time I can buy a newspaper. So I can read the what happening last day or the day that the earthquake comes to our country, especially in Cebu and in part of Mindanao.
Okay, right. Dili comes ha, happen kay comes moari din ang
Happen.
earthquake din moari na earthquake. Asa ka ni ari. Okay, next question. Can reading a magazine or a newspaper help you learn a language?
Yes, sir. The newspaper and magazine can help you. Can help you. To you help you to speak English and understand English.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, I will not be sharing the screen anymore, and then you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, una po mag-answer ani kay common topic ni sila sa speak and test. This is your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I
Yes.
won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk, and you can start.
I go to the nearest beach, because I go there for walking and uh, uh sitting in the stone and bring some foods so I can uh spend my time in there, and I can see the ships passing by and many people walking, jogging, and my mind will be rested in when I see many people in the beach, so that I also relax my mind, and and there may be a problem on my in myself will be go go I will take it out of my mind.
Mao na to,
Ito
mao
na
na
sir.
to.
Practice sir, more practice.
Mao na to, mao na to. Sige. Patay. Practice yun mo ha. Bitay pa kayo yung speaking test, oh. So kato imuha, Archie, most likely naara gyud tos mga 4.5. Kung buutan nimo examiner, mabot pa kag 5 ato, 4.5 to 5. Ha? Kanang gihatag na ko yung score sa speaking test ron. Kung iana yung speaking test actual, mao ra gyud na yung score niyo makuha.
Okay.
Mao ra gyud ako sa gihatag. Timane, kung sa kung gihatag ninyo ron nya, ingon ana gihapon mo sa actual test, di gyud na mausob yung score. Mao ra gyud nga score. Mapag-practice yung mong speaking, di ba? Giingnan ta mo pag-practice mong speaking. Kung namoy kasturya sa inyo ha, practice mo. Ang pangutana, ga-practice ba mo?
Size.
Wala.
Usahay, los, usahay. Di ba? Giingnan ti ka Archie nga pag-practice kisa mo imong cousin ba to? Maestra, o di ba giingnan ti ka pag-practice o si Aris po, giingnan ko pag-practice sa iyang asawa. O di ba si James imong kauban diha, ka nakikauban diha, di ba? Giingnan mo practice ka rin sa imong kauban. Ang pangutana, nag-practice mo wala? Wala. Laro kayo, wala sa. Wala. Practice mo speaking. Lanta mo mga videos, then practice mo speaking. Saan yung pag-practice? Diba? Ningon ko ninyo nga, naay mga questions dito sa Google. Pag-search mo dito IELTS speaking, naay mga questions. Oh, ihatag na si mga asawa Aris o kuan Archie, ihatag na si mga gagaw. Ding papangutan siya nimo. Na siya mo yung mangutana nimo, answer ka, ding i-record, videohi. Pag human, stop video, di lang tawa dahil na imong mga answer dito mao ba? O, kumusta imong speaking? Na-improve ba o wala? Yan na mag-practice. Kung di mo practice, di ka na mo improve. So, pag-improve nga, wa kay practice. Yung English, sir, bago na. Di ba? Oh. James, practice yoga, James, kaya na. 6.5, raman imong target.
Okay, sir.
Kato nga speaking, lisod pa kayo sa 6 gan, lisod pag yung kayo 6. Oh, dahil ayaw gisod-gisod ra inyong pagalingon sa pag-answer og pangutana, pare atong ka Archie ganiha, di ba? Oh, unsa tong pangutana? Nga galisod-lisod tag news, kabayang news, di ba? Are you interested in news? Galisod-lisod kag tubag nya baliran sayon na tubagon, di ba? Adto ra mo sayon. Tubag ra mo sayon. Oh, interesado kay ko sir kay basin niya maapektaran mi pare anang lunay linog o maapektaran niya di mig linog ako kabalos balita. Di hurot mig ka dead ball, di ba? Dito. Ayaw lisod-lisod ra inyong kaugalingon. Adto unsay sayon nga answer mo itubag. Mangita mo muglisod. Sayon kaayo ng di ba pagtubag sa tong usapod si Aris mo gito ganiha.
Sa subject.
Sa tong question?
Itong sa subject, sir.
Subject? Sa pa napatoy lain. Sana ko inumduman nga napatoy lain nga pangutana dito nga. Kalisod kag tubag. Sa to?
Sabuk. Sabuk.
Sabuk di ay.
Sabuk.
Sakto na sabuk. Di ba? Ana ha? Napod tong ka James. Kabahin na tong sa kuan sa technology mo to imo ha James, di ba? Napod sa technology. Is there any technology you want to buy? Ana, ningon po ka, wala ra sir, wala ko ganahan. Naara mo ko kuan. Wa man nga ingon nga palita. Ningon siya nga naa ba kay ganahan paliton. Di
Okay.
kalisod-lisod kag tubag nga wala ra sir kay naa pa man ko'y kuan, naa pa ko'y cellphone, naa pa ko'y ako ato, yes sir, there's so many technology I want to buy. I want to buy a very brand new car, very high technology, high tech car. Ay ko ina di ka ganag high tech car. Basta kay mo technology, computer o cellphone imong nahibalaan. Kanang auto technology man na.
Tools. Any tools nga makatabang.
Di ba kaga brand new car, high tech car. Oh. Bali lamiya kayo. I want to buy iPhone 17. Oh, di ba? Wa man siya niingon nga palitan. Ingon siya nga is there any technology you want to buy? Di masayon unta tutubag. Jalami pa kay imong tubag, di ba? Because I can use the car in going to work, going back and forth, o di ba? I can I can have my girlfriend inside my car and then we will roam around the city. O, ana ka dito.
Siyalan.
Sosyalan. Lamborghini dayon ka or Ferrari. Dili ayaw mo kalimutan ka ng
Ambog-ambog
technology, ayaw mo limit basig inyong hunahuna ang technology, computer o cellphone dili na mao. Dili na mao. Basta nagpasayon sa inyo ang kinabuhi, technology na siya. Eroplano, technology ng eroplano. Washing machine, technology ng washing machine.
Pin.
TV, Wi-Fi, technology ng Wi-Fi. Tanan nga mga nagpasayon sa kinabuhi sa tao, technology na siya. Kung ayog lisod mana kung gian wana advice ninyo mag speaking test gani mo kung unsay sayon mo i-answer ayon pangitag lisod. Okay? Practice. Kay tagilid kay speaking. Pero katong napo ko isa ka estudyante sa una nga kuan nanas Canada ron dayon gawan on man siya nako ron kay mo take po siya IELTS usab para pang PR. Yang target po 7.0. Ana siya sa Australia 7.0 yang target. Kay pang PR naman para kung makuha niya ang 7, diretso na po di ang asawa gyud anak. Ito naman dito yung asawa anak. Dili na mo take yang asawa kay kung di siya kakuha 7, mo take man po di ang asawa para pang PR pod. So madoble. Muna yang goal 7 yang goal para silang duha na diretso. Sa una gali pareha ra pud ninyo ayang speaking sa una halos pareha ra pud sa inyo ha. Karon okay na maayo na kay ang kuan speaking test. Ayaw na kay speaking. Na-improve kaya na naman siya sa Australia. Na-improve good. Muna magamit kasi English. Na-improve yun na siya.
Inadlaw naman niya ginagamit.
Na-improve good yung speaking. Ang iyar yung problema yun. Writing ro good yung problema. Manang practice yung may writing. Kaya one-on-one man siya na ako. Muna akong giingon ninyo, pag sige mo practice para maanad mo. Hindi mo practice, sige mo maanad na nagamit og English. Okay? Archie, ha? Archie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Archie. Claro, Archie. Archie. Pasar noon to, Che, pero gamay ra. Pasar to, pero gamay ra pod kayo.
Padakaon, sir.
Ayaw, kumpiyansa kaya ng ato nga 4.5. Ayaw, kumpiyansa. Ado juga mga 6 pataas. 6 pataas. Aris pod, 6 pataas pod, ha? Para po di magmahay si Wendy ni mo. Matay, magmahay po si Wendy, gamay ra kay mong score. Ato ka maing Wendy pang take niya gamay ra imong score. Ni contact na kang Wendy.
Nagatawag pa siya diri sa ilaha sa mga bata.
Nagamit itong kwarta to. Okay.
Sige lang.
Okay, 100,000 plus na ganyan income dito kada bulan kay duha man iyang kuan, 20, duha man iyang gibantayan. 100,000 plus. Tayo ban dito nga tag 150, maabot jud 150 basta kugihan ra jud ka dito. Part-time pa ka na abot jud kag 150 sa Israel og income. Kuya lang lagi. Na gani dito 1 million ang sweldo. Dito 1 million sweldo sa Israel. Kasi ganahan ka mo apply. Tigsalog kuan rocket.
Tigsalog missile.
Tigsalog rocket. Sige manggira dito. Ikaw mito kada salo nimo 1 million.
If you survive a day,
ay, sige. Sige, 1 million. Atay. Alright, sige. Pwede po sa kuan. Sa Changi na, hiring sa Changi ron. Dako kayo sa Changi hiring. 1,000 ko ng oras.
Changi.
Sa market ba? 1,000 ang oras. Maghigdara ka. Imong kang tataran. Uy, pero eskalibong oras. Ganahan ka.
Dili ka mo singgit, di ka pwede mo singgit, sir.
Asa ka na maghigdara? Maghigdara ka niya, eskalibong oras.
Bawal mo siya agit.
Bawal mo sagit kung masakitan ka.
Dako kaya sa dos kay eskalibong oras pero maghigdara ka, di ba? Ang problema himon kag tataran. Nalolo na. Sige, sige. So Wednesday na punta ha, Wednesday. Okay?
Sige, sir.
Sir.
Sige, sige. Bye-bye. Practice
Thank
mo,
you,
practice.
bye-bye.
Sige. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, sige, sige.
Sir, okay.